Give it to Barack Obama.
Don't tell the president. So I went.
President?
When I reached inside, I saw the brother was sitting right there.
What clothes you had on?
One sari, the white sari, the one they used to wear.
Doti.
The dhoti and the long trousers
Dhoti?
inside and the dhoti outside.
I thought
Yeah. And those gangs they wearing a flip flop. Myself too, one flip flop.
Nasi.
Cover my head
Jabat.
and we pray. Masya when I pray like this,
Makan nila.
I was trying to find one small gap there to my singer was right behind my pocket. And they bow down like this. I bow down like this. Myself when I bow down like this, my eyes just open like this. I look like this. No, can't shoot him. Second or third time, kasaambul sa rumah. Oh, waalaikumsalam barasus. Haram sa same time sa orang. Singay. Okay, ramboy. Alangaw na nga mamain eh.
English.
Same time, I take out the singay, I criticize. At shoot nga lagi.
And you saw who? You saw who inside?
Mas
Oh,
brava.
pamasal nga na bra. Dami siya nasa on sa nga, nasa on. I just shoot nga lagi this. And singay right. Waalaikumsalam. On. After that, I came back.
Sama. Ano tayo?
Bae.
Obama, the mission is finished. I told him, the mission is finished.
Yeah.
The mission is already finished. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do for
me.
what you doing? I'm diving cutting copra.
Hah?
Ele asik. So they send me back to Fiji.
How?
We
Submarine?
Push play.
No, we came back. We came back by one jet plane. From there, and those gangs they came from those gangs, and they want to kill me. See,
Boy, what up?
they want to kill me, so I just tell them to just give me one parachute, and from there I go down. About 17 feet. Sabi nga 3 feet ako Obama. Bring one jet. I'm about to go down. Ilasa about because I'm worried about the shark.
Oi. That's in the mountains.
In the mountain, I fly down in a parachute before I reach the sea, and I call you. One jet plane, me all man. Hey, oh, kaysa ko nga na parachute kasi.
Hey, for so far.
LFC play.
CV.
No, I was coming the jet, and those gangs they want to missile the jet,
The jet ski was waiting.
and I get off with a one parachute. Eh? No mask, and I was working.
And the jet ski waiting.
That one?
Jet ski?
No, I was getting off in the parachute
Oh yeah.
from the jet, from the jet. Get off. Before I reach it was 17 feet. Before 3 feet, ako labang. Hey, total one jet. That's suck down here.
CV feet.
Mako siya.
Yeah, that boom. You know the size of the sack there? Bigger than the whales. Masya when I was looking from on top. When I look from on top, I thought one boat sana. Myself was happy, you know? Just come down nga and get out in the boat. When I look like this, one bloody big makosa. Wait, then I shop. But that time was only 3 feet. And I call again President Obama. One jet plane.
Jet plane melawan
And I get, but lucky, the captain of that jet plane was just related to me. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and he just put his hand on it. When myself, I don't know who was the pilot. Myself, I don't know, sir. I was really freaked out, sir. When I about to get in, and the fellow just went like this. Wait, get in. When I said, hi, the airborne.
Superman.
I don't know he was the pilot of this jet plane. This was airborne. You remember the day you had I was so freaked out, sir. What? Airborne. Lampu sartungan. Lewe, wato. Hey, Fiji. Hi. You came here too? Yeah. Because myself salah President Obama is main boy.
He went on a mission too.
Yeah. Aksem tengah. Ebor lo tadi. Ebor. You remember that day? I don't know sir. Thank you very much. That's all. I'm just using that 5 minutes.